Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to pin Telegram post. It's super easy and quick, so follow my tips. First of all, open the Telegram app and go to the group or channel. I pin two posts. So first of all, press three dot icon and we can see the pin option. So press it, pin, and I am also pinned this post. And we can see the pinned message here. So our pin successfully done. So thanks for watching. I think this video help you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.